Hi guys, in this video to show you the E99 PRO2, the remote control, how is the antenna inside. Okay, so this is the Pro2. Okay, the drone Pro2 here. Okay, so this is the box, and then the battery here. If you have extra battery, they will make a slot here, so you can just put in your battery, your extra battery here. Okay, so the battery is just like if you want to put into the drone, you just put it in here. Yeah, just put it into the drone, and then you can just remove it, just pull it out. Okay, if you want to put it in, just put it back. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so for this video, actually we want to check about the antenna for this drone. Okay, is it function? So yeah, so we have a screw here, and then we will remove the screw between. Okay, so they have four screw. Okay, so they have 4 screw here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4, and then yeah, you need to open this as well, the battery part. Okay, actually here I have a screw also. You remove the 5 screw. Okay, and then you can open it just like slowly here and here, this side. Okay, then you remove this case. Okay, yeah, so inside this is how it looks like. So actually this antenna, you can see actually no connection. It's a dummy antenna. Okay, so okay, so this is the antenna. Okay, this one, so they are not affected by this. And then yeah, this is the beep, the sound. Okay, so this is how it looks like inside the remote control for E99 PRO2. Okay, so we just put it back, the antenna. Okay, so you just put back you put the battery in. Okay, yeah, it still can function. Okay, thanks, that's all.